Guys, I wanted to show you this travel grooming set that I received from FlyDog. I've been using their products for a while now, and this has been great to have. I think this is perfect if you travel with your dog, like we go to the beach as well as we hike with her, so she gets pretty dirty and messy. Or if you're like needing to if you want to try out a bunch of the different products to see which ones you like. That's what I like to do sometimes. To figure out if I want to buy a bigger one. This is a great kit to buy or a travel set. Everything is really nicely made. You could see the bag. It's a nice material, it has this like nice gold detail in there and everything fits perfectly. Has a really great like cloth here to use. You could put it over a bathtub or just use to like dry the dog off, as well as the directions for how to use all the different products. Everything fits really nice. You get this like travel comb brush that like will trap the hair. Then these wipes, a little bag, toothpaste, a toothbrush, a finger toothbrush for the dog, as well as you get different types of shampoo. This one is like a waterless shampoo, which I really like when I'm traveling, especially to the beach or hiking. And then you have a leave-in detangler spray, which my dog mats, so I use that a lot. And then an anti-itch shampoo, as well as wax for their paws. So nice size quality of everything. Really great product. I would definitely recommend this.